Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Black Myth Wukong and the game keeps crashing on Steam, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Black Myth Wukong crashing on Steam easily. So the first thing you need to do is you need to open up your game's platform. So Steam here, right click on Black Myth Wukong, go into properties and then click install files. Click verify and try your game files on Black Myth Wukong. Once you do that, now you're going to go ahead and update your graphic card's drivers. So you're going to open up your web browser. Go on to NVIDIA GPU here. I'll show you NVIDIA first and then I'll show you AMD and Intel. You're going to click onto drivers here. You're going to fill in this manual driver search form now and then select your operating system. Click find here. Wait for it to find the GeForce Game Ready drivers for you. Once it's done finding your drivers, you're going to download and install them. And now I'll show you AMD. Go on to AMD.com, resources and support, drivers, graphics here, Radeon RX, select your graphic card series and then model. Click submit, select your operating system and then download the latest AMD Adrenalin drivers. Now I'll show you Intel, go on to intel.com. You're going to click onto support here, click download center, click graphics here, and then you're going to search for your graphic cards drivers here, Intel Arc A750. You're going to download the latest drivers. Once you're done with downloading and installing the drivers, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, now when you try to play Black Myth Wukong, you'll see that your game will not work. It will not crash anymore. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.